What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera crashing issue on your Redmi 13. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on apps. Now in apps, tap on manage apps and then look for the camera app. So open the app and then go to its storage. Now tap on clear data and from here tap on clear cache and then tap on OK to confirm. So when you will tap on OK option here, it will clear the cache memory, and after clearing the cache memory the crashing issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after clearing the cache memory, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button and then swipe down this circle, and when this circle gets green then you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the camera crashing issue will be fixed. But somehow if you are still facing the issue, then open settings again, scroll down and tap on apps and then tap on manage apps. Now here go to the search bar and look for the camera app, and this time tap on force stop. Now from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm, and after force stopping the camera app, it will fix all the camera glitches including the crashing issue. So that's how you can fix the camera crashing issue on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.